Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to reinstall or fix Xbox Game Bar. So if you guys didn't know what Xbox Game Bar is, it's basically just a free recording software that you can use to edit your to record your gameplay videos, and mainly just games, because they need the best lightest screen recorders, because most low-end devices can't handle the same frame rate, the same smoothness while recording. So there's a bit of encoding to do here. So the Xbox Game Bar literally is a savior for any game developer, even a game player. So they would get already encoded it. So like that's basically half of their job finished, and the gameplay would be so smooth. So that is why we use Xbox Game Bar. So there's different recorders that compete with Xbox Game Bar, such as Nvidia GeForce and GeForce Experience, and also Nvidia Shadow Play. So there's different softwares, but the best one for now at least is Xbox Game Bar, because it's free. Sorry, it's free, and it comes out with a lot of new features, and it gets frequently updated. So that's a nice feature. And also the Nvidia Shadow Play and GeForce Now Experience both need to have a Nvidia card, so Nvidia graphics card. But that's not the only limitation, because if you have a say Nvidia GT 1030, which is a mid-end card, so even if you have that card and you're playing, say, something like Minecraft or Roblox, then you'd have to have a X after your graphics card's name. So say your graphics card's name is GT 1030, so it shouldn't be GT 1030, it should be a GTX card. So that is the reason that Xbox Game Bar is the best, because no matter what graphics card you have, even Intel graphics, if you can run the game, it'll be butter smooth. So this is currently being recorded using Bandicam, and Bandicam is also another alternative, but it does affect your performance by a lot. I mean, not as much as OBS Studio, but it does affect your FPS a lot. So yeah, so first up, what you want to do is open up Xbox Game Bar by pressing Windows plus G. You can open up a game, and you can just press Windows plus G to open up Xbox Game Bar. So this is how it looks like, and if you start recording, after some time it should say something called recording stopped. So if you have an error that says recording stopped, or recording wasn't able to proceed with the encoding or stuff like that, this video is for you. So the first thing that you want to do is uninstall and reinstall Xbox Game Bar. Now to do that, what you have to do is press Windows plus W and just close out of any game or any resource heavy task, and then just press Windows and type in PowerShell. Then click on Run as Administrator. It should be the normal Windows PowerShell, and click on Run as Administrator. So now it should say verified publisher Microsoft Windows. Select yes, and we have our Windows PowerShell right here. So now what you guys want to do is press I'll leave a link to this thing right here. So I'll leave a link to this script right here, so you can copy and paste the script. So what it basically does is it gets the Microsoft.GamingOverlay, which is the Microsoft Game Bar, and it just finds wherever it is on your PC. Then the next thing that it does is it removes the package. So it's basically removed from your computer. So what you want to do is type this inside of your PowerShell admin command, and then just press enter. So initialize processing, and it should say successful. If it doesn't, just close off this window and restart your computer, then try this again. So now it's successful because it showed us the next command. So it should look something like this. So after it said that, just close out of this window and reboot your computer if you want, but then just type in Xbox. So you should see you shouldn't see this thing called Xbox Game Bar right now. So press Windows plus G, and when you press Windows plus G, it should say you'll need a new app to open this MS Gaming Overlay link. So yeah, so that if that's there, just restart your computer, and I'll be back after restarting mine. So yeah, before you restart your computer, press Windows plus I, or just open up a Windows settings app, and inside of the settings app you have to go scroll down and find this thing called gaming. So click on that, and the first option that should show up is Xbox Game Bar. Then enable Xbox Game Bar for things like recording game clips, chatting with friends. Just turn that off. Then close settings app. Then reboot your computer. So I'll be back after rebooting my computer. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And the PC has been rebooted. So now what you want to do is open up a search and type in Xbox. So after you type in Xbox, you shouldn't see anything called Xbox Game Bar. So if you still see Xbox Game Bar, try to do these steps that I showed you earlier by pasting the command inside of your PowerShell and run it as admin, then try it again. So now you shouldn't see anything called Xbox Game Bar. So now what you want to do is you have to reinstall Xbox Game Bar. So to do that, what you have to do is open up Store, Microsoft Store, and just open it up. So wait for that to load and type in Xbox Game Bar. So search up for that, and I should have left a space there. So anyway, we have the Xbox Game Bar right here. So just click on that, and it should be the Xbox Game Bar from Microsoft Corporation. And what you want to do is click on Get. If it says Get, just click on Get and then download it. It's just 43 MB, I think. So you can download it anyways. So just click on install, and it should install it. So I'll be back after the installation completes and show you guys around the Xbox Game Bar. So to check if it's doing it correctly, it should say restoring user data. So make sure that pops up. So yeah, I wait for it to download and show you guys around. So yes, the game bar has finally been installed. So now what you want to do to record is launch up any game that you want. So you can launch up any game that you want. It could be Fortnite, any game that you want. So I'll just launch up the game and I'll see you guys there. So I have launched up the Roblox Fan of Versus. So what you want to do is press Windows plus G to open up Xbox Game Bar. If you still don't see it, press Windows plus I, which is a shortcut for opening Windows settings app. So it's opening right now. So go to gaming and just turn on Xbox Game Bar. So just click on that and it should turn on. So now what you want to do is close settings app again and go to Windows and then press Windows plus G. So now you just have to search up Xbox if it isn't coming. So just make sure that Xbox Game Bar is still here. So you can open it up. It might take a while to load up, so be patient and wait for it. So it says welcome to Game Bar. Just click on got it and close out of this.